Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our GK lesson 3, that is about my India. Okay, I am Reena, teacher, taking your GK class. Okay, so now we are going to have crossword puzzle in this. Okay, so in crossword puzzle, our across will be doing with our across part. Across means from your left hand side to your right hand side we'll be having the blocks and the answer will be in that blocks. So you will see in your textbook it is already given some of the alphabets, either the beginning alphabet is given or the middle alphabet is given, or the alphabet in the end is given to you. Okay, so let us see the first one. It is said, so you see the number 1 is given to you, so in your across also you will see where that number 1 is there. So one of the 7 holy cities in the Hindus, it is located on the left bank of the river Ganga, and it is one of the oldest inhabited cities of the world. Okay, so it is about the 7 holy cities and it is on the left bank of the river Ganga. So you can see that in your textbook it is given to you, V is given to you and A is given to you, and you have to fill the remaining. So the answer is Varanasi. Okay, so Varanasi is the answer to this. Now the next one, number 4 is given to you in across. Number 4 is given to you and it is the tomb of Haji Dash in the Arabian Sea on the coast of Mumbai. So we are very much aware about Haji Ali. There is a song also of Hrithik Roshan uh, which is similar to this Haji Ali. So the name of the tomb is, it is the tomb of Haji Ali. Okay, so the Haji and Ali is there. So you there number 4 is given to you and you will mark it as Ali there. One is number 6 and it says Hindus take a holy dip in the river Ganga at Harki Pauri. So Hindus believe that if you take a dip in this river Ganga, all your sins are washed off. Okay, so that holy place, that river name you need to mention. Acha, where is that? Okay, holy in the river Ganga at Harki Pauri, in where? Means where is that place? Number 6 you will see that some alphabets are given, that is H is given, D is given and A is given. So you can identify that the word is Haridwar. Next one, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It houses the tomb of St. Francis Xavier, so which is in old, and the name of the place is in 3 letter. So it is a World Heritage Site and St. Francis Xavier tomb is also there in this place. So you have G and then it is given to you, no, nothing is given to you, so we know that it is Goa. St. Francis Xavier tomb is in Goa. The next one is that people visit the temple and bathing ghats in the birthplace of Lord Krishna in thousands. So we all know that where this Lord Krishna was there. So it's a very famous bathing ghat because it is the birthplace of Lord Krishna and Lord Krishna was born. So you can see number 9, M is given to you and the word is Mathura, Mathura. Okay. One, it is a procession to the streets of Puri, Odisha, in which the idols of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, and Subhadra are taken out on an elaborate chariot. So, the whole roads, the whole place in Odisha, in Calcutta, even at times we have seen in Surat also that this procession goes on with this idols and all. So in number 10 you have, like, what is that procession called, that you have to. So that is called as Rath Yatra. See number 10, Rath Yatra, Rathayatra, Rath Yatra. Okay, now we are coming to the down one. So down means from your top till from to your bottom you need to fill the alphabets. Okay, so the first one is Christians pray specially for good health at this church in dash in Tamil Nadu. So in Tamil Nadu there is a place where this Christian they go and they pray for a good health. So that is, the place name is Valankani. You can see here in number 1, from top to bottom you have to fill. So you need to fill up the alphabets that are there here. The next one is, it is considered the birthplace of Lord Rama. It is one of the 7 holy places revered by the Hindus. So we know where Lord Rama was born. Lord Rama was born in Ayodhya. What you have to see is, you have to see number 2. You have to see where it goes down. So in number 2 and it goes here down. So in number 2 A is given to you and H is given to you. So you need to fill the remaining alphabets A, Y, O, D, H, Y, A, Ayodhya. The tomb of Moinuddin Chishti, a place of pilgrimage for the Sufis, is in which place? So it is number 3. So number 3, it is given to you Ajmer. Ajmer, Ajmer. Okay, so that is the place where this tomb of Moinuddin Chishti is given. The tomb of Sheikh Salim Chishti in the state of Uttar Pradesh is in Fatehpur. Fatehpur where? It is in Fatehpur. It is a letter with, it's a word with 5 letters. Number 5 down, Sikri, Sikri, Fatehpur Sikri. This Sikh place of worship is visited by hundreds of thousands of devotees from across the place. So which is this place? Number 7, the Sikh place Amritsar, Amritsar, Amritsar. Down you have to go. So it's a holy place. It's a place of worship for the Sikhs. So they all go to Amritsar visiting the Golden Temple, and across the world also called Hamadir Sahib. So they keep to visit that place. The last one is, it is a place where Lord Buddha attained enlightenment. Okay, so that was the place where he had got when he was doing nirvana, and then he got that enlightenment that he has to do preaching in this. So that is, and number 8 says Gaya. So Bodh Gaya is the place where he sat under a tree, and then he got this enlightenment. So that is about this crossword puzzle. Hope so you have understood all the terms that we used, all the places that we saw. Okay, so try to do it step by step, and if you go to see in any of the newspapers also, you will find this crossword puzzle. So you can do that and try to get very familiar with this crossword puzzle.